Hello and welcome. I just wanted to sit down with you all today and let you know about all the exciting things that we have going on. And also, I wanted to come in and show you a little quick tip, or a little, not even a tip, but you know, a little DIY to kind of jazz up or zhuzh up your wardrobe. You know, we have things that we have in the closet that, you know, are kind of plain and basic that we have. And we might want to put a little razzle dazzle to it. So what I have here is a pair of heels, plain black patent leather heels that we carry in the store. So you can, if you're looking for good patent leather shoes, you can shop purechic.com, and of course I'll put it down on the bottom. We have black, red, and we have nude. So your basic colors. I can't remember what the heel size is. It's a 3-inch heel. Technically a 4.5, but if you want to be technical, it's a 3.5-inch heel. So these are 3.5-inch heels. I have some holographic vinyl. And we're just going to give this shoe a little zhuzh. So the good thing about this vinyl, let's see if I can get a good, there we go. I don't really need a carrier, but I think I'll do it that way. I'll just take it out of here. I hate doing that. Okay. It's so hard to see. So I'm going to cut it out so I can see it a little better. Because there's 2 designs, one for per shoe on here. And I could normally just take it off, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use a transfer sheet. Once I get it. Honey, use the tools, honey. Use the tools. There we go. And of course, you can do this with virtually anything. It doesn't have to be vinyl, but of course, it's gonna. I use what I had because I wanted to try this method. And then I have a purse, little clutch bag that I had already did this with. So initially, I got this vinyl for a mug that I wanted. I wanted a holographic tumbler that had leopard or cheetah or, you know, whatever print on there. So of course I had this, and then this led into a mug, not mug, but a clutch bag that I have, and then so on and so forth. Oh crap. Okay, whatever. You could use this on something else if you like, but if not, you can always just toss it, you know, roll it up and put it in the trash. I don't know where the top to my trash. Oh, it's right here. Okay, cool. So this is what we come up with, or what we have after we weeded it. And then I have some transfer paper. The longer transfer paper. This one should work. Okay, cool. Yeah. It's gonna be a little short, but it's okay. I won't be able to get all of it on there, but I'm okay with it. I need my scraper. Huh. I'll be right back. Let me check. I had some other things that I was doing yesterday, so I had to go in and look for my scraper. I had took it to the storage area because I was doing some things there. Oh, it didn't. Well, we knew it would be a challenge. Okay, so now that I have it on the, so now what you want to do is just kind of determine how you want it. So for mine, I actually kind of just split it down the middle, and I referenced this line on my shoe and I measured it around from there. So you can have the option to do that and just go around the top of your shoe. If you would like. Because mine is not a curve, it's a, you know, kind of curvy, it's not a straight line, I'm gonna have to bring it up a little bit, which is cool on certain aspects because you can always trim around it. And so what I measured was about 9 inches. Hold on, let me, I'm gonna kind of fold it just a tad bit just to get the center. And so I know this part here is the center of my shoe. So when I put my the bottom of it decided it wanted to stick before the top. But that is not what I asked you to do, and you did not follow directions. And this is fine. So it doesn't have to be perfect, of course, because you're going to go in and, you know, trim and do whatever you have to do to your shoe at the end of the day. But we're just trying to really get it down. And you want it to be as smooth as possible. And you can take, you don't want any air bubbles in your work though. So you can take your scraper, of course, and scrape down so you don't have any bubbles. And of course, this is the first time I did it with this design. I'm just trying to get it off of here. Now we can go ahead and pull it off. It got stuck in the inside. Okay, now it's done. And you want to use, when you're using this, you want to use permanent vinyl. You don't want to use the removable. Let me see. I might have to take this off real quick because it looks like it got a little bubble. Now, I wouldn't recommend you doing the holographic just because holographic is a little funny sometimes to work with. I mean, but you can always try whatever, you know, whatever you want to try, you could try it. But, yeah, the holographic, just because of the texture of it, it is sometimes a little funny style. And then, of course, we're going to go and trim it up. This one here, I'm going to pull it back again just because I don't like the bubble, and I feel as if I can make it a little straighter. Okay. And I'm going to pull it as tight as I can without, you know, creating too much tension. Without, you know, creating something that's going to make it to where it's going to tear, rip. Okay, so this is the shoe. And of course, like I said, you could always use your scraper to get it down. This one didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do, and it's okay. We're gonna play with it and see if I can get it to, because I didn't exactly have it curved for this, But you can. It's, you know, it's not difficult to curve it. It's just, I wanted it to be straight. There we go. There we go. Okay. I gotta pull her down a little bit. And you just gotta work with it. Uh-oh. You just gotta work with it a little bit. And then you can get it the way you want it. Now, as you see, I got it. There's a little bubble in it. And then there you go. There you have it. Your drip holographic. This one got a little bubble in it. And then of course you can go around and trim the excess that you don't need on the shoe. Like, so there you go. This is gonna bother me, but I can easily fix it. Well, I may not be able to, and it is what it is. Like, if they that close to your shoe, tell them to back the fuck up, okay? Okay? Okay. Tell them back the fuck up.